Wait, how does this even work? That's the first thing people ask. So here's the answer. Question: how does it actually stop snoring? O. It pushes your jaw slightly forward. That opens up your airway. Question: is it uncomfortable? A. Not if you mold it right. It fits your teeth exactly. Question: how fast does it work? A. First night, I snored less. Second night, silence. If you're still asking questions, try it for yourself. 50% off today. Ships fast.